Here she is, Jasmin Singer. Thank you. Yay! I'm so excited to be here and to see all of these incredibly compassionate people who are out here caring so much about farm animals. It's starting to shift. Things are coming together. I can feel it. I bet you can too. Can you feel it? The world is starting to wake up to what everyone here already knows, that there is one solution for our species, our planet, the world, and all of its extraordinary inhabitants. All of the signs point in one direction. Just think about it. First and foremost, we have what is our most basic need, right? Our health. Bill Clinton has cured his heart disease thanks to a healthy vegan diet, and everybody else can too. And a healthy vegan diet can also prevent and reverse everything from rheumatoid arthritis to type 2 diabetes to obesity to stroke to basically many of the other chronic diseases that are plaguing our country. And next there's the environment. Global warming, air pollution, water pollution, habitat destruction, animal agriculture, and the poop caused by over 50 billion land animals worldwide are major contributors to this. And in June, the UN called for a global shift to a vegan diet in order to save the world. In order to save the world from fuel shortages and the worst impacts of climate change, as well as hunger. Hunger? What's that? How does that work? Well, as we approach 7 billion people on this planet, and oh wait, I think we just got there, then we have to really get serious about how to feed the world. We really do, because animal agriculture is an incredibly resource-intensive process. And unless we want the rich people to be eating animals and the poor people to be eating nothing, we have to seriously think about how to deal with this situation, and we need to find a way to shift everyone toward a plant-based diet. That is the only way forward. Finally, and for most of us here, this is really what tugs on our heartstrings. This is what got us out on a Sunday morning. There's the animals. The animals. The suffering. The suffering of animals on factory farms is truly incomprehensible. It's impossible to convey in a soundbite. We have created, right here on our precious planet, a hidden secret universe of utter misery. Absolutely. And more people are facing up to the fact that the animals of the world cannot remain out of sight and out of mind, suffering in silence. They need us to step up to the plate, quite literally, and say, no, I am not going to support that anymore. Each of these reasons on their own are sufficient reason for us to be here. But when taken together, they illuminate this incredible synergy. It's no accident that the best thing for you is the best thing for the planet. It's the best thing for the people of the world. It's the best thing for animals. That solution, the fact that there is a solution to all of these problems that I'm talking about, is so profound. And the happiest part for me about the fact that that solution is possible is the fact that that solution is so damn delicious, right? Each of us here has infinite power to carry this message back to our world and our communities. And our walk today is just the start of the walk we must walk and the talk we must talk in our lives every single day on the ground. Farm Sanctuary cannot do this without you. The animals cannot get out of this life of misery without you. You are the ones who have awakened. You are the leaders. It's in your hands.